I am very happy to know that L4G is collaborating with Google to promote advanced technologies in India, particularly in the state of Andhra Pradesh, in the campuses of higher education. In fact, L4G has been providing a lot of opportunities to the students of VR Siddhartha Engineering College whenever a new technology or new programming language enters into the market, where the students of VRSCC has been continuously involving for upgrading their skills and competencies so that they can improve their resume, wherein they will be able to get better opportunities of employment with high-end packages in the industry. Here I am very happy to mention that a couple of years back the institute has organized a program, that is workshop on advanced Android development, where Mrs. Jocelyn Becker, the technical program manager Google USA, was the chief guest. I strongly believe that the understanding between the L4G and Google and L4G and VR Siddhartha will definitely help in building the right required manpower for the industry in these technologies whenever a new programming language or new technology enters into the market, such that VRSSC will be always in the forefront and lead the market requirement as per the requirement of the industry. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kalyan. I'm working as assistant professor in VR Siddhartha Engineering College. From L4G with VR Siddhartha, we have learned the Train the Trainer program, and we have learned the Kotlin using Android. Previously, we used to work Android with Java, but working with Kotlin is a fun learning, and moreover that there is a less prone of errors. And we would like to add this in our curriculum if possible as a core or elective subject. And we use our experience to teach our students in their mini and major projects. And moreover that we are having an EPICS project also, where the students will go to the society and they will identify the societal problems. There, if possible, we will try to develop the apps by using this Android with Kotlin. Right now, we are working in examination management system in a simple way as a mobile app, and our students team is working on that. So thanks to the L4G and Google for giving us this opportunity to learn Kotlin. Thank you.
This is Srilata from VR Siddhartha Engineering College, CSA department. I was attended this Android development using Kotlin workshop in the month of August. And with my earlier experience, this platform is very simple and very easy, and everyone can learn very easily. And while the workshop is going on, the speakers completely handle the session in a practical oriented way, and they help us a lot for implementing real-time experiments. Actually, this is very good and very interesting and interactive session also. That this platform is really will give a basic knowledge on Kotlin as well as mobile application development. The people who want to work in this area, they can go for this platform and they can enroll in this course, which really help them for implementing innovative and societal applications.
Hello, I'm Puneet Valurpalli. I'm gonna talk a little bit about Android development using Kotlin language. So basically, Kotlin is a open source programming language developed by JetBrains company, which is mainly focused on Java, JVM and Android. My reason for choosing Kotlin over Java is that it overcomes a few drawbacks that Java has, like it takes a lot of time to compile and the code size is humongous as well. So Kotlin reduces this chunk of code and makes it easy for application deployment, as it takes a little time compared to Java. And I highly encourage everyone to start up learning Kotlin as well. My initiative on taking up this language is that it's going to help a lot in our Epix project that we are currently doing and in future projects as well. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harita. I have learned Android development using Kotlin. I have already also learned Android development using Java, but I felt more easier when it is with Kotlin. It has very less code complexity as compared to Java. And when compared to Java, we get less errors. It is also more productive, and also many developers use this Kotlin.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi Durga. I'm from VR Siddhartha Engineering College. I'm here to share a few experience which I learned the recent days about the Android application with the Kotlin. In the past years, we have seen that Android development is done only through Java, but the recent years it has been overcome by the Kotlin. It is one of the easiest platform to develop the Android application as compared to the Java. It enables the user to write less code and greater scalability. By using the knowledge of this Kotlin, I am trying to develop a student communication app which enables the student to communicate in a single platform where the faculty can also upload the important notes so that they can be accessed by the students, and this might be very helpful for student and teacher, and this app might be a student teacher friendly app. To log in into this app, we can provide a user login and a code so that they can log in and access whatever the material required by the students, which is uploaded by the staff. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Manohar Dutt. I am from VR Siddhartha Engineering College. I am here to share my experience on Android development using Kotlin. First thing first, I want to say some points about Kotlin. Kotlin is a statistically typed programming language. It is an open source, which means that everyone can contribute their own code to it for the development of Kotlin. It helps. There are many tools which helps to make the code simple. So coming to the real-time applications, Uber uses Kotlin for the development of internal tools. As we know, Uber is one of the biggest MNC company where they have daily millions of users. So coming to my learning experience, learning Kotlin is a fun, and there are many sources out there to learn.
I've been using Java to develop my web development, and now I came to know about Kotlin, where it is an open source statistically typed developing language introduced by JetBeans. It has a new functionality which supports Java interoperability, and it also supports operational and even functional programming, whereas Java is limited to only object-oriented language. With all the new functional operations, it is known to be more pragmatic and intuitive programming language. Even the world-renowned Google has acknowledged that. When it comes to technology, I couldn't afford to be obsolete.
Hi, my name is Amrita. I'm currently enrolled in a course of Android development by Kotlin. Today, the world is enhancing day by day. To enhance, we need to learn new technologies, explore in new domains. Over 50% of Android development users are now using Kotlin. It has become a new version of Java. It is an advanced version of Java because it has a simple code and it is easy to run. We are trying to develop new projects using Kotlin. Currently, we are working on a mask detection project. It is due to the pandemic situations, we know it is very important to wear a mask. So it detects if we are wearing a mask or not using Kotlin. Today, Kotlin became everyone's first choice because of the easy code and it is easy to run.